Assalamu alaikum. So today we will discuss the lymphatic drainage of the breast in the form of flow chart, and it will also help us to solve the clinicals regarding the cancer of the breast. So first of all, we should know that a breast is divided into four quadrants: the upper medial quadrant, lower medial quadrant, upper lateral, and the lower lateral quadrants. Okay, and now the lymph from the nipple, the areola, and the lobules of the breast is collected into the subareolar lymphatic plexus. Now we will see the course of the lymph from subareolar lymphatic plexus to the right venous angle in the form of flow chart. So from here, the lymph from the lateral quadrants of the lateral quadrant of the breast, it will drain into the axillary lymph nodes mainly. About 75% of the lymph of the breast is draining into the axillary lymph nodes from the lateral quadrant of the breast and from the medial quadrant of the breast. These were the lateral and this is the medial. And from medial quadrant of the breast, the lymph is draining into the parasternal lymph node. From the axillary lymph node, the lymph will drain into the clavicular lymph nodes. And from here, the lymph will move into the subclavian lymphatic trunk. Now, here the lymph will either move toward the left and drain into the thoracic duct, or it will move toward the right and it will drain into the jugular lymphatic trunk. Now we will discuss it. From here, the lymph will drain into the bronchomediastinal lymph nodes. And from here, the lymph will either move toward the right side and drain to into the jugular lymphatic trunk, or it will move toward the left side and it will drain to the thoracic duct. From the jugular lymphatic trunk, the lymph will move into the right lymphatic duct. And ultimately the lymph will drain into the right venous angle. So this is whole the flow chart regarding the lymphatic drainage of the breast.